Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is your friend Monis Ali, and as promised, today I am creating a video, in fact, a series of video for you guys about what to sell during this lockdown period. What kind of products you should sell during this corona situation, and what are the products that are working for others, and what kind of products would work for you. And some of them I am testing myself, and yes, they are performing good for me. So what I'm going to do is I am going to split this series. I am going to split them into small parts, and I will be uploading these videos for like next few days. So the number one product, or the category of the first product which is selling good and which you should also try during this period, is the digital product. Now, I am actually a big fan of digital products because the advantage with digital products is that you don't have to ship anything to anybody. You simply need to run the ad, get the conversion, get the sale, and deliver the product online itself. You don't have to ship the product. So when I was searching that what is the best selling digital product on the internet, what kind of product sells the most, and what is the digital product that is that stands out from any other digital product, then the answer which I found was this: ebooks. Ebooks sells the most on the internet. Like, it is one of the best selling digital product. Now, before you jump to a conclusion saying that, hey, Monis, ebooks are pretty old and nobody buys ebook these days, and I don't think that ebooks are going to work, and this is totally a faltu video. So hold your horses, boys. Hold your horses. I am pretty sure that you are going to love this lesson, because what I am going to show you, or the path which I'm going to show you today, is actually going to change the way you see ebooks. So most of you have seen those boring ebooks only. But when I was doing my research and when I was going through what kind of ads are running during this period, when I was using Power Ad Spy to see like what kind of ads people are running these days, then I was actually surprised, and it actually gave me completely new vision. And then I was able to understand there is a lot of scope in this industry. Now, instead of just talking, let me show you what exactly I mean, and let me show you an example of the first category. Look at this. So, look at this ad and look at the kind of engagement this person has got, and look at the date, since when it is running, or till the time it has been running. So it's March 27, 2020. That means, yeah, that yes, this ad is running, and it's about photography. So only hours left the photography tutorial ebook. So, if you're actually able to create an ebook around any topic, around any topic, and I will also show you how you can get it done, because I do know that not everybody can create an ebook. It's not an easy task. So I will be showing you how you can actually get an ebook done. But for now, just focus on this thing. Just like we have different niches in our physical products, you do have different niches even during selling ebooks. Like, you can see this particular ad or this particular ebook is about photography, where like people are targeting people who are interested in photography. Let me show you the next one. Look at this: the DSLR crash course. So again, this person is also running the ad, and it is again about an ebook which is about the DSLR camera course or something like that. So this is just one example of one niche. Now let me show you another niche. And I'm pretty sure that now you must be thinking that, hey, I can actually create an ebook in this particular niche or that particular niche. So yes, let me simply show you another one, a niche that is evergreen, and something that actually I was like completely blown away by their ads. Look at this. This is home based fitness training program. So yes, we know that people are sitting back home, people are like getting bored when they are home, and most of the people are not able to use their gym. But this person is actually advertising a home-based fitness training program where they are actually giving an ebook where people can actually learn how what kind of workout sessions they can do during this lockdown period. And let me give you one secret that in Australia there is a lockdown of, I think, more than 3 months. So that means besides US or besides any other country, Australia is also one of the hot target for any sort of product which you want to promote during this lockdown period. So this is like home based training program, and I have seen a lot of people even making videos on YouTube and whatnot about what kind of workouts a person can do during this lockdown period. So this is a great niche, something which is evergreen. And let me show you another example of this same niche, which is actually going to be an eye opener for you. Look at this one. So uh, they are again selling the ebook now. One is about nutrition plan, and the other one, they are running the BOGO offer. And something which actually surprised me, or something which actually made my day, was this. Now look at this one. Look at their ad: lockdown, no gym, train at home. So they are simply taking the advantage of the lockdown period. And if you can see over here, they have mentioned that at home bundle in bold. So this simply means that they are taking the advantage of this lockdown period, and they are taking advantage of the fact that they know that their audience is sitting back home, and they are interested in workout or maybe gym, and they are looking for some more solutions, right? And that's how they are tapping the right audience. So the ads are active, and if you, even you will get and even if you will try to see Kai Green's page, then you will be able to see that, yeah, there are like a lot of ads which they are running, and they are using these words like lockdown or BOGO in their ad copy. Now, what are the other niches which you can try? So I'm just gonna give you a few names. Of course, I'm not gonna spoon feed you, but what I'm gonna do is I'll just try to share a few names, like a few examples. And if you are able to think about some more examples, then you can mention them in the comments. So the niches which I can think of are, like, say, uh, baking. Like, you can make anything around baking, any ebook around baking. And again, you can target people who are interested in baking. Cooking is a broad niche, and that people are sitting back home, so they do not have anything else to do. They can sit back, enjoy, and they can cook things. So it can be, your ebook can be about cooking. And then there could be about maybe stitching or maybe sewing, because that again is a very broad niche, and people are sitting back home, ladies are sitting back home. So again, sewing can be a good niche. It could be about guitar lessons or whatever. Like, you have to be creative. I can only show you the path, and then it's completely up to you how you take the action and how you improvise. So instead of getting frustrated sitting back home, what you can do is you can actually do your research. Think about what kind of niche you can jump in and what kind of ebook you can get it done during this period. If you remember, I have already shared a sheet where there are n number of niches mentioned in that particular sheet. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, then it is in the about section of my group, that is Ecomx. So now the big question that, hey Monis, I do understand that, okay, ebooks are good, and I can sell ebooks during this time, but I don't know how to create these ebooks. So I have no idea how I can get it done. So I'm gonna make it really simple for you. So let's simply jump to one of our old friend, Fiverr.com. And then when I went to Fiverr.com, I was able to see so many options over here. Like, when I went to this category, which was books, book and ebook writing, then I was able to see so many categories over here. Now look at this yourself. So there are so many, like, broad niches over here. And now you just have to play smart, try to take advantage of this thing, and see, like, which kind of niche you want to jump for, because self-help again is a good one. Science fiction, and children's book is something which has attracted me the most, although cookbooks and recipes also there. But I think children's book is something which has attracted me. But then again, you have to play smart. Don't just follow anything blindly. So this is again a very good niche. Let me show you something more. So when I clicked on children's book, look at this. There are so many people who are ready to do it for you. I will write kid ebook short stories for the best advice. So it's so easy to get it done. Like, it's not that difficult. All you need to do is you simply need to go to fiverr.com and try to get a product done. So it's simple, like, just like in drop shipping, we have one product, we try to sell one product. So now, instead of buying uh, one product for every customer, all you need to do is invest once. Try to invest, like, once in one ebook, get a cool ebook done. And then what you can do is you just have to promote that ebook. So it's not having a lot of investment. You don't have to invest a lot of money. All you need to do is need to get a solid, like, very good ebook done. It could even be about children poem or something like that. So get a ebook done. You can get it easily done from fiverr.com. And it could be of any niche, like, I have shown you multiple niches. Plus, then again, you need to explore it yourself. You need to go to Fiverr, or maybe if you're having some other resources like it, like upwork.com, or any other website. Then what you can do is simply go there and see if they can actually write an ebook for you. And then you can easily promote an ebook if you are smart enough to promote it in the right way. So I hope you like this video, and if this helped you, do let me know in the comments. I'm gonna upload the second part tomorrow at 7 p.m. And I really hope that this video actually helped you. And if there are few niches which you are able to think about, and if you think that there can be an ebook around a certain niche, then you can mention it in the comments, and it would be helping all of us. So I really hope that you like this video, and until next time, hustle hard.